Okay, this is Crash Rocks, out plowing the field, keeping it real. The other day on the Facebook group, Patrick Ferrante was asking how to make a 2-liter soda bottle with Tinkercad because he's going to have a unit of rocket making for his students, and he wanted them to be able to make some 2-liter soda bottles. So the first thing I did, because I wanted to make it look a little bit realistic, was I took a half dome. Let's see, okay, that's the second step. First step was took a half dome and I put angled cubes for a hole. And this is to make the bottom of the bottle. Try to make it look realistic. Okay, so from there, got to here, and then arranged it in the pattern that you'll find on a bottle. Then I took a half dome and flipped it and just squashed it down and put it on the bottom to make like a transition, like the natural transition that you would see at the bottom of a regular bottle. Then I just simply took a cylinder and a half dome and played with those until I got about the rough proportion and angling of the bottle. Then from there, I grouped it and made it transparent, right? And I have this here just to show you all the different elements. I then took a cylinder, minimized it, and then put a ring and fit it on there. And then I made the cap by just taking a circle and, I just beveled the top of it. Just right there. Slid it to 126 to make the bevel and then minimized it and put it there. Okay, simple as that. I hope that's helpful to you guys. If there's ever anything you need, just contact me on the Facebook group or go to my YouTube channel. Hit me up there and then just ask. All right, all you guys, good luck and do me a favor and show me what you guys come up with. Peace out.